Hello students, welcome to the class. I hope you are fit and fine and staying fit at your home and studying also. So today we are going to start personal pronouns cases. As we have read yesterday, pronouns, the definition of pronoun and examples, and after that we have started kinds of pronouns, and we have started first kind of pronoun is personal pronoun. And what do we have learned yesterday? That we have learned a personal pronoun stands for a person or an object. Okay, so it was having, we have discussed yesterday, it was having first person, second person and third person. So we have already discussed this topic, and today we are going to start personal pronoun cases. As noun, pronoun also having three cases. First is subjective case, second is possessive case, and third is objective case. Now, first we are going to study subjective case. What are subjective case? When the pronoun is the subject of the sentence, it is called subjective case. For example, she, he, I and you. For example, I am going to give you some example. I, we, he and she. These are subjective case. For adding this, the sentence will become subjective case. And now here again I am telling you, when the pronoun is the subject of the sentence, that become subjective case. Now here, he is a good boy. Now here you can see the subject is talking about he. This is the subject of the sentence. So this is called subjective case, because here the pronoun is there, and pronoun he is a pronoun, and it is a subject of this sentence, so it is called subjective case of this sentence. It has become subject of this sentence, so that is why it is called subjective pronoun case. Now, possessive case. Now the second number is possessive case. What are possessive case? Possessive means ownership. When the pronoun shows possession, there it become a possessive case. Suppose mine, yours, theirs, hers, his. These are called, these words are showing the possession of a person. That is a possessive case. Now here the example I am going to give. This pen is mine. Now here you can see mine is a word which showing the possession on the pen. So it is become possessive case because mine is showing over here possession on the pen. This pen is mine. This pen, this is object, and this is become, this pen is mine. It is become possessive case because it's showing the possession on the pen. Now let's move to third. Third is objective case. When the pronoun is the object of the sentence, when the pronoun is the object of the sentence, that is called objective case. For example, me, them, him. These are example of objective case. Here you can see he plays with them. Now here you can see this is objective because he plays with them, where the verb is going on. Which is object in this? This is he plays with them. So them here the object. So it is become a objective, or you can say the object of this sentence. So it has become objective case. Now let's move to I am going to give a table to learn each and every cases. How we are going to write this? This we are going to discuss. Now I am going to draw a table which shows you or displays you the genders, numbers and cases of personal pronoun. So from this table you can able to recognize where is the cases, where is the gender, and how we are going to use with that genders along with the cases and the persons, first person, second person and third person. So now I am going to write here first person. As you all know, we have studied first person, second person, and third person. Have a look. What are the first person, second person and third person? First person I, me and mine, and its plural is we, ours, us. Now second person you, yours, and it will remain same in the plural also. Now next is third person, he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, and in the plural they, theirs, them. So we have revising it because it is very important for you to know what are the first person, what are the second person and what are the third person. Now let's move. Subjective case. As we have discussed earlier, that subjective case means when pronoun becomes the subject of the sentence. That is called subjective case. Now here, subjective case, we have to draw a line over here and we have to divide it. And then subjective case when used as a subject, as you all know. Now, first person, I am going to write I and we. Now here in second person, you and you. And in third person, he for male, she for female, and it for it and they will use for neuter gender. So here we are talking about gender also, cases also and person also. This table will very helpful for you, that you have to write in your copy because it is very helpful. Now here he is denotes male and here she is denotes to female gender, it and they for the neuter gender. Now possessive case, I am going to write over here possessive case. as we have already discussed, what are possessive case? The words from we are going to show the ownership. That is called possessive case. Now here the possession, how we are going to show in first person, that we are going to write over here. Now mine and ours. Now here yours and yours. As I have told you earlier that you and yours will remain same. Now here in third person, his, hers and theirs. His for male gender and hers for female gender and it theirs for common. Now let's move to the objective case. Now third is objective case. What are the objective cases? Objective case when the pronoun is the object of the sentence, then become its objective case. Now here objective case in first person is me, me and us. Now here you and you, and here his, male, and hers, female, and it for neuter, and them. So this you have to remember. These words are using for the singular and it is also using for singular, and here them will use for plural. So you for singular, this for plural, me for singular and us for plural. Now again I am going to show this because it was not written on the board singular and plural, and now I am going to explain that subjective case, first person I and we, and then second person you and you, it will remain same, third person he, she, it, and here when we are talking about singular and plural, so this line is used in the first, second and third person for singular. And now here we, you, they will use for plural. So this is about subjective case, and you have to learn this only for the subjective because it is very important for you. And after this I'll go to the next possessive case also. Then I'm going to show singular and plural where we are going to use this, when we are going to use with the which word we are going to use with singular and which word we are going to use with plural. So in possessive case, when we are going to write in the possessive case, we have to know where we are going to use singular form and which word is going to show the plural form. Now here again I am going to write mine and ours. It is used in the first person. Mine is used for singular, and in first person ours is going to use with plural. Now in second person yours will be remain yours. in the singular also in the plural. Now here in third person, his, hers and theirs also. Theirs also. They are all used in the singular. And in plural, his for male, as I have told you, his, hers, and now here it for neuter, and them. These are all for plural, and this is for singular. These are for singular and this is for plural, them. After solving these examples of possessive, objective and subjective, now we are going to move to the exercises which are based on this. We have to use these type of the cases in this exercise. Now fill in the blanks. This is exercise number C, page number 38, mastering grammar. Take out your book and we'll start the solving. Let's start exercise number C. Fill in the blanks with I or me. Fill in the blanks with I or me. As you all know, these two words are pronouns. So let's see how we are going to solve. Now first is give dash something to eat dash I'm hungry. Give me something to eat. I am hungry. So let's start writing or filling. First is give me and then give me something to eat dash I am hungry. I am hungry. In second, can you drop dash at the airport? Can you drop dash at the airport? So we are going to fill over here me. Can you drop me at the airport? Now here, number 3. Dash shall give you the book myself. I shall. Third number, we are going to use I. I shall give you the book myself. Now here, now let's move to exercise number 4. Exercise number 4. You and dash will go together. You and dash will go together. So you and I will go together. I. Now next is my parents love dash. My parents love me. Now 6. Dash have a pet monkey. Dash have a pet monkey. I have a pet monkey. I have a pet monkey. Now let's move to the exercise number D. complete it in your book as well as in the copy also. Now we are moving to the exercise number D. Exercise number D, fill in the blanks with we or us. Fill in the blanks with we or us. Both are pronouns. Now, first is dash must save water. We must save water. So here we are going to write we. We must save water. Always remember, first letter will be always capital. So, we must save water. Now next, second, they should have called dash on time. Now second, they should have called us on time. Now third, dash should learn from our mistake. We should learn from our mistakes. Now let's move to fourth one. Most of dash do not learn from our mistake. Most of us do not learn from our mistakes. Now, fifth is they have left dash behind. They have left us behind. Now, sixth, let dash hope for the best. Let us hope for the best. Now, we are moving to exercise number E. So, this you have to complete it. First is we. In second you are going to fill us. Third is we again. And then in fourth us. Fifth is also us. And in sixth is also us. Now, exercise number E, which are based on personal pronouns, we are going to complete. Tick the suitable words from the brackets. First, our students are working hard, so in bracket it's there. Theirs, and they. So, which word is suitable? We are going to put a tick over there. Now, our students are working hard, so might win the match. So, they might win the match. Now, second, I called up to know whether they or them had reached on time or not. I called they or them up to know whether they or them had reached on time or not. So, here we are going to choose they and them is written over here. and again they and them. So here in first we are going to put a tick on them. I called them up to know whether they had reached on time or not. Now third number. Please don't call. Now exercise number 3. Please don't call us or me when I or we am working. So now here we are going to write in number 3 exercise, us or me is written over here and I oblique we. So what we are going to choose? Please don't call me when I am working. So these two we have done. Now number 4. My mother is not in her room. I wonder where her or she has gone. Now I am going to write over here. My mother is not in her room. I wonder where her or she. So now what we are going to choose? We are going to choose she. My mother is not in her room. I wonder where she has gone. Now, in exercise number 5, can I or you carry the bag yourself? So now here we are going to write I and you. So we are going to choose this you. Can you carry the bag yourself? Now in number 6 is when I or mine play with my pet dog, it feels happy. They or it feels happy. Now here I am reminding you that it will use with dog because it is singular and it is animal also. So when I, in 6, I and mine is there, and in the second they and it. So we are going to choose when I play with my pet dog, it feels happy. So this way we are going to complete this exercise, and after that this personal pronouns exercises are over, and now we are going to proceed in possessive pronouns, the second kind of pronouns. Now second number is possessive pronouns. We have studied personal pronoun, and now we are going to start possessive pronoun. What do you mean by possession? Possession means ownership. So a possessive pronoun that shows possession and ownership. Now a pronoun that shows possession and ownership possessive pronoun. For example, his, hers, theirs, ours, my, mine. These are words are showing the possession. For example, this pen is mine. So here mine is showing the possession of me. So I am going to write over here. For example, this house or pen is mine. Now this word is showing my possession on the house. So I am the owner of this house. This house is mine. So I am here showing the possession because this word is showing the possession. So it is called possessive pronoun. So always remember, a pronoun that shows possession and ownership is called possessive pronoun. And for example, his, her, my, mine, your, yours, ours. These are all example of possessive pronoun. So children, that's all for today. Tomorrow we will discuss more about possessive pronoun. So till then, take care and stay healthy and revise the chapter properly in your book also and at your home. Till then, bye bye, take care.